Hello guys, another day has come. It's time to school again. Oh, it's very tired to go upstairs, but it's okay. It's an exercise early in the morning. I'm with my tita. We are so very early going here at school so that I can't be late. And finally, I'm here at 4th floor now.
Go, Dere. Please. Sayo tayo. Si Princess. Sa 4th floor.
And here I come. It's me, Sophia. I'm here now at my school. Papa, may abri oh.
What na Ini sa taas.
Stage na din ha? Sauna? Sauna daot no?
Sauna naman.
Sauna kaya na ito. Indot ganit na o. Naguba man po. Inang malamagwan mo sa ito.
Ha?
Sauna magpapatong. Ganito siya. Sauna. Magmaso sila.
Hindi ka maiyak-iyak ha. Maminaw ka ni teacher ha. Yung manira magyabong ko niya din sa ate po. Doon man din si ate mo. Muhilak ba si ate ubiyaan ni mo? No?
Chorta.
Yun. Nangungutan ka ni si ate. Nara ba si Chin-Chin? Nara.
Nge.
Hello, Chin-Chin.
Apa among teacher?
Mag-school man meron. Kaya nalamiss pa.
Our morning class is done. And teacher told me to lead the prayer. That's why I'm here in front of my classmates. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.